so super excited and glad to be here again. Though it has been a long time that I've come to this space, but just want to give my own view of the market. And this is a disclaimer that this is just my own opinion. It's not a financial advice to anybody. So just my own view to the overall market. So yeah, I'm going to look at the USDJPY. So there was a very bullish, bearish uh, market structure throughout last week. So the market since on the 29th of last month has been moving towards the downside. As you can see from the chart here, that the market has been moving from this right here, from the 29th till this particular level here. So it shows that the seller are they are what? They are on the uh they are on the market dominance. So they are the one that is dominating the market presently. So it makes the market to be very volatile because if you look at it now, they push the market from this level 163.799. They push it down to this particular level here. They push it to this place 155.390. So this is about, let me measure it to know the accurate this thing they've done. So they have done about 840 pips to the downward side. So that is a very good margin. So what is our own market analysis for this week? So as you can see that the overall trend of this market is still in a bearish formation, and this shows that we will not enter for any buy at this particular level because the market is still currently uh, showing a bearish strength. So we have to wait for confirmation before we enter this particular trade again. So you can see that the markets already push this trade to this level here. So the market has pushed it to this level. That place that I put a yellow horizontal line. So you see that the market has pushed to this level. So the horizontal line, I have to note that this is where the market has been pushed to. Though it has passed here, it has reached this particular level, but is a we call it market level. So this is another level here. So this level, so it has pushed the market from this to this place. But this is the significant one because there are many touches there. This one, two, three. So it has pushed the market down to this place, as you can see from the chart. So what are we going to do concerning this trade now as a potential trader? So the resistance of 157.85 has been broken here. 157.85, this place. So the resistance equal to support here has been broken, though the market has pushed it up to this level here. The market has pushed it here. So this is a support zone. So and you can also call it a supply zone as well. So you can see that the market has been pushed to this particular level, which is our support zone, 157.885. So somewhere in this place, yes. So we got it. That's where the market is present, is in that region presently. So the market is moving in between that region. And another major resistance here. So another major resistance is here. This is a major resistance. This is a major resistance. Five. So this is another major resistance here. So if the market pressure push it to this level, if the market push to this level 156.20, that is this particular area, so what are you going to now do in this place as a trader? So the highest probability is to wait for the price to move into this particular area, the price to move from here to here. So if there is rejection from here, from this particular zone here, so this zone here, on this zone, so if there is a rejection to, and we have a bearish engulfing candlestick, so we go for sell. For instance, if there is a rejection from here, if the market was able to push here and there was a rejection candlestick here, so it shows that this is a very liquid place for us to enter this trade. So let me put an indicator there, or let me draw an arrow to denote what I just explained now. So this is where we are expecting a rejection here. So we are expecting a rejection from here, and then now see that the market is going to come down again. So what would be our a possible selling scenario here? So expect to sell. There is the test bust. So we expect to sell between 157.85 to 158.8.00. So that's our scenario. Then what will be our stop loss? Stop loss. Our stop loss will be 158.20. That's yeah. I have to delete something. Oh, okay. Let me delete some of this horizontal line so that we're able to put the market there, our trading plan properly here. So I've deleted it. So that's our stop loss is 158.20. So 158.20. So if the market is able to come for this particular area, next thing need to wait for confirmation. So somewhere here, let me change to red line. I want to change that to a red line to denote our stop loss. Then our take profit TP1 is 157.30. Then TP2 156.80. Then TP3 156.20. So let me change this as a mistake here. 156.80. So that's what we are going to look at here. That's what I'm going to do here. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to sell when the market come to the place that I put my entry. This is my entry. And then my take profit. Sorry, that's my stop loss. So my entry is between here. This is my entry. Where is this? Yeah. Here is going to be my entry. 157.85. So either I enter here, either I enter from this particular area, 15780, 15780. Either I enter from here or I enter from I enter from um, let me go to let me go to lower time frame so make it easier. Now you'll be able to see what I'm doing here clearly. So 157.80, 157.80. So that will be our entry. Then our stop loss will be 158.00.020. So if there is break on that particular on this lane here, so here is going to be our stop loss. Our stop loss is here. Let me tag it. I need to tag this red line. So I'll add test stop loss. So let it be at the top and at the center. So that's our stop loss. And then the entry, I'll change this to green. To green. This is going to be our entry. Then my take profit one. My take profit one is 157.30. 0.30. Oh, this is my TP one. That's my TP one. So my TP2. My TP2 is 156.80. 80. This is my TP2. And then the third one, the third one, the third one is 15.20. Two zero somewhere here. Main limited. So let me change the coordinate very well so that we get the right thing. 20. So that's our take profit. 1, 2, 3 is 0. So that's what we will do. Our TP1 is 3 0. So that's what we are going to trade this week. That's what I'm going to do this week. So I've said it earlier. This is a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. It's just my own view of the market and what I think is going to happen on the long run. This is what I feel that is going to happen on the long run. So this is what I'm going to trade if I see a bearish engulfing candle and I see a rejection from this particular area. So if the price is unable to push above this area, we are able to push above this. So I'm going to enter from that side. So let me see if I can still do another analysis here. Let me see if I can still do another analysis on another currency pair. Let's see if we can still have another currency pair.